This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have access and a target language. Start now. Sign in at Office. Calm and open the settings gear in the top right. Once there, choose View All Outlook Settings, or, for desktop apps, click Language under Account Settings. Make sure your account syncs with Microsoft 365 profile so changes propagate. If you're an admin, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center instead. You'll change organization-wide options. This gets the process moving immediately. The next step changes the actual language packs and UI. Once inside settings, go to Language and Time in Outlook Web and pick your preferred language and regional format. Click Save so the session updates. For desktop Office apps, open Account My Account Language and install the correct Office language pack or set editing, display, and help languages. Make sure to download and install any required language accessory pack. Restart apps. If you're an admin, set default language in the Admin Center and assign language preferences to users so changes apply across Mail, Teams, and OneDrive. To finish, restart all Office apps and sign out then into the web interface so settings propagate. Confirm display, editing, and help languages match. If not, reopen language settings and adjust each field, then reinstall a language pack if necessary. If changes fail, clear browser cache, force a sync, and check the user's locale in Azure Active Directory. Mismatched AD profiles often block propagation. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, sign out of all devices, wait 5 minutes, then sign back in to force policy and profile refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.